All right, you guys, welcome back. So we are on the third layer, and we're just going to go around and glue those petals. Remember I said I like to start off in between the petals, but then it's okay, you know, that once we get into it that they're not. I just usually like to start off that way. And just glue them around. Give it a pinch. Glue gun, I am using this Surbonder. Is it Surbonder or Surebonder? It's probably Sure, right? You know what? Maybe it is Surebonder. I've always been calling it Surbonder. So I am using the mini detailed glue gun. The tip broke on me, but it still works. So I've been, oh gosh, see, this is where I need the wooden down to help me press down. All right, so there you go. So now we're on to our last layer. So I didn't use one of the ones of this size, which is okay. So I have extra. So now we're on to the little cuties. Pinch. Use your wooden dowel or a pencil or something to help you glue that tip at the end. Oh, sorry if you hear my daughter. Sounds like she's throwing a tantrum. And then just glue around. And these are meant to look funky, guys. They're not meant to look perfect. They're definitely funky. So I think I'm going to be able to squeeze this one and then one more in the center. So pretty much you're going to go around in a circle, and then whatever gap you have in there, you're just going to stick the petals in there. So I think I might have room for one more. Let me show you. As you can see, I have that little gap right here. We'll see. Let me try one. And then who knows, maybe I'll have to add another one. But no, I think one more is what we needed. Just need to really stick that wooden dowel to get it to hold. And we are done. And voila, there you go. There is the marigold. Now, I do suggest that once you are done, because remember we used a medium base here. Let me show you here because I have the medium. So for this one, I used the smaller base, okay? But I do recommend that once you have that done, and to say that if you're going to mount it on the wall or hang it, I do recommend adding a bigger base to the back. So what I would do is add the wire if I would hang these, and then obviously retrace this similar color and then glue, so that way the base is holding more of the petals. Okay, does that make sense? Just so it's not floppy, because especially like the larger ones, like this one, it can be a little flimsy, if you can see. But if we add that support to the back of adding an additional base to the back, when we add the wire and cover it, then it's gonna make it more sturdy. I really hope that made sense for you guys. So pretty much, guys, this is it. Like I said, as you can see, it's not hard. It's just the fact that with the petals of the curling is the part that's more time consuming. But once you have that down, you're good to go. So if you have this template, tag me. I love seeing all the fall decor last year when you guys were tagging me. Oh my gosh, these look just absolutely amazing in the sets that you guys were tagging me in. So go ahead and tag me, please. And if you're interested in the template, go to www www.arielelisedesigns.com. This is template 44. Remember, you receive 15 petals and 3 circles, so you can refer to this video tutorial, and then you can also refer to the 2 picture tutorials on Instagram TV. And again, if you want to make larger sizes, because you do receive some pretty big ones, just pretty much follow the same technique. But obviously with this one, you're not going to be using the medium base because that's just too small. You're going to use the larger circle, okay? So if you have any questions, DM me, or you can message me through my email, which is arielelisedesigns@gmail.com. All right, guys, bye.